In today's video, I'm going to teach you ElevenLabs how to slow down voice. By the end, you'll know a simple, reliable way to make specific words play more slowly in ElevenLabs using only your text. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. You can type the address directly into the address bar at the top, or click into the search box on the Google homepage. This just gives us a quick path to the official ElevenLabs site without needing to remember the full URL. Next, type ElevenLabs into the search bar and press enter. Spell it as one word. You're looking for the official result for ElevenLabs.io. This ensures you're using the genuine platform where the text-to-speech tool lives. Click Owning into the ElevenLabs website from the results. Once the homepage loads, look for the text-to-speech option and select it. This is the workspace where you can paste or write your script, choose a voice if one is already set, and control the pacing of your narration using punctuation techniques. In the main text box, write the prompt you want the AI to speak. To slow down specific words, add dashes directly into those words. Think of it as stretching them out. For a subtle slowdown, insert a single dash between parts of the word, like slowly. For a more pronounced effect, add more dashes, such as slowly. You can also split a longer word into chunks with dashes between syllables, which encourages the voice to enunciate and pace itself. Keep the rest of your sentence punctuation natural, because commas and periods still help guide pauses. A helpful rule of thumb is to start with fewer dashes, preview the sound, and increase only if you need a slower drawl. Too many dashes can make the delivery sound choppy or overly segmented, so aim for balance. When your prompt looks good, click Generate Speech. Listen to the result and pay attention to the words you marked with dashes. If they're still a bit fast, go back to the text, add one more dash to the target word, and generate again. If they sound exaggerated or broken up, remove a dash or two and try another pass. Small adjustments usually make the biggest difference. This dash technique works across different voices, and it pairs nicely with standard punctuation to shape rhythm and emphasis without changing any settings. That's it. You've used Google to reach ElevenLabs, opened text-to-speech, crafted your prompt, added dashes to slow down keywords, and generated the audio. With a few quick tweaks, you can dial in the perfect pace every time.